I'm Abdullahi Warsame. I'm Deputy Director of Soo Godol. Soo Godol is in Somali, it's a latest milky camel, and our company is the Camel Dairy Company. This farm has been established in 2008. It almost now is 7 years old. Now we started to milking camel, and we are in the coming 2 or 3 months we'll have also animal fattening component. The system we use here is what's called rotational cut. Means you have to have green fodder of both balanced diet for the animals throughout the year. Every day you have to have cut. So we calculated the number of the blocks we need and head size of the animal, and based on that we designed the farm to have also intercropping. This date palm, it started pollination. Now we pollinate the date palm. So even when you grow those fodders intercrop to the date palm field, they are more higher production than the others, not intercropped by the other fodder crops. In the past, we tried to have the access in the Salam Bank, but we found the interest rate is very high. But when we heard that the Shuraako came, then we engaged with Shuraako, so that we received a loan from Shuraako that enabled us to buy the 15 camels, and we contribute 10 camels, total 25 milking camels. This first phase, and we are now already paid 4 installments, and started production, and our production reaches to supermarkets and big restaurants in Garowe, and we are very happy with them. And our main is to get employment for the Somali youth. Those are surrounding us in Garowe or other towns in the country. Our intention is to change the attitude of the labor and also investors and everybody, and be able to produce from their own land and use the available resources, local resources. That's our intention.